welcome to the Once a Week kitchen. Today I'm going to do a healthy frittata. In the frying pan here, which is a 12-inch frying pan, non-stick, I've got 2 tablespoonfuls of olive oil. I'm going to add to that 1 chopped courgette and 1 finely sliced red onion. I'm just going to sweat these off for a few minutes until they start to soften. I've also got some peas and sweet corn, 50 grams of each, and 10 cherry tomatoes cut in half. While that's cooking, I'm going to chop some parsley, flat leaf parsley, and a few chives that I've picked from the garden. This must be the biggest flat leaf parsley you've ever seen. Grew this outside in a pot. I can't believe the size of the leaves. Took about 4 weeks, that's all, from a packet of seeds. So I'm going to chop that up, and I've got 10 eggs. In here I've got 15 ml of cold water and 15 ml of milk. So I'm going to whisk all those together with some salt and pepper and the chopped herbs, and then we're going to put it all together in the pan and cook it. Finish it off under the grill with 100 grams of crumbled feta cheese. So these will take about 5 minutes to soften. These are turning golden now, so I'm going to tip in the cherry tomatoes and the peas and sweet corn. I've cooked these for another 2 or 3 minutes until the tomatoes start to soften. These vegetables are cooked now. I've beaten the eggs with some salt and pepper, and I'm going to tip in the chopped herbs. The best way to chop them is to stick them in a cup and snip away with them with a pair of scissors. So you don't need a lot of that parsley because it's the Italian kind, the flat leaf, so it's quite strong. So just about a tablespoonful of chopped parsley, and the same with the snip chives. I'm going to pour these eggs now over the veg. Just swirl it around. And I'm going to turn down the heat and cook for a couple of minutes until these eggs are nearly set. Meanwhile, I'm preheating the grill. These eggs are nearly set now. You can see them rising up under these. I'm going to crumble this feta cheese. There's 100 grams here. Much lighter than cheddar and really nice and tangy and salty. So crumble it over the top roughly with your fingers, and then I'm going to pop it under the grill to finish off. I'm going to be cooking this on Friday, the 15th of August. I think it's the 15th, no, the 14th, at the Huddersfield Food and Drink Festival in the demonstration theatre. So if you're in town that day, pop in and say hello. I'd love to see you. I'll just pop this under the grill now. And that's it done. Lovely, healthy, vegetarian, full of vegetables, full of vitamins, absolutely delicious. There's plenty there to serve 4 people. I'm going to serve that up with some nice crispy lettuce that I've also just picked from the garden. Fantastic. See you later. The recipe in this video is one of many in the Once a Week cookbook. If you'd like a copy, it's available from Waterstones, Amazon.com and Trafford.com. It's also available as an ebook on my website, which is www.onceaweekkitchen.co.uk. Just click on the left hand menu where it says downloads, and you can pay by PayPal, so it's easy and safe. It's only £5, so get yourself a copy and you can start to learn the once a week cookery system.